brought me the head of Optimus Prime! You are a true Decepticon! And is that a Decepticon on your hat? Excellent! And I interrupted you. How rude. What was it you were going to say? I love it, soldier. Tell me, what is your name? Evan. From this day forward, you are no longer just Evan. You are Lieutenant Evan of the Decepticons. Everyone cheer for Lieutenant Evan! Excellent. Lieutenant Evan, all of these humans now obey you. Do with them what you will. I will allow you to keep that trophy, boy. That is what happens to those who defy the Decepticons. Now, Lieutenant Evan, our work is not done. We must obtain the Allspark. Will you get me that cube? Excellent. You are to sabotage Evac's mission. Go! I need your help, Lieutenant Evan. Farewell, soldier. Ah! Now, wait. What is this in your hand? The Allspark. It is finally mine! Excellent! What do we ought to do? Starscream! This young man has come and brought us the very thing we need. But we need to harness its power. Boy, we are going to get the Allspark to the warship. Once there, we will harness its power and forge our unstoppable army. Ah, and I see that it is your birthday today, isn't it? Then, you have given me the greatest gift. It is time for me to repay the favor. Turn around, young man. Now, as for the rest of you, all you worthless pieces of garbage in the cloud, wish my Decepticon happy birthday! I say, you worthless, insignificant rodents, wish my Decepticon happy birthday! We have it now, boy. Good work. After I destroy this planet, I'm going to allow you to rule over all the rest of the humans that survive. You have earned it. You will be the king of this rock. Now go, get the Allspark, Starscream. Ah, more small children. Why are you waving at me? Oh, is this your father? And your mother? Tell me one redeemable quality about your parents. What is it about them that makes them special? Exactly, they can't think of one thing. They are just as disillusioned as I am. Don't thank me, thank your parents. They are the ones responsible. Man in the blue shirt whose eyes is too small and sweatpants will die today. A fiery death. In the incineration chamber. Same place we put the trash.